It's your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning into Pablo Questi.
Victory is my name. Can everybody say?
I am victorious. Victory is my name.
I am victorious.
I am victorious. Victory is my name.
Now I come.
Now I come.
And more.
Victory is my name.
This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuned into Promotional Questi.
Broken heart. Everybody, what you gonna do?
Just lift your hands and say,
you don't have to worry.
don't have to worry.
You come.
Don't you
I
be afraid.
joy comes in the morning.
Joy comes in the morning.
Trouble never lost always.
Trouble stay on us.
Remember, there's a friend. Everybody say,
For there's a friend in Jesus
He will forever wipe your tears.
wipe your tears away.
And if your heart is broken,
And if your heart is broken,
come on, what you gonna do?
just lift your hands and say,
I know. Everybody say,
I know that I can make it.
Shabu, boo, yee, boo, boo,
I
yee,
know that I can stand.
no matter what,
No matter what
sing it.
come my way,
Jesus, my life.
life is in
One more time.
your hand.
With Jesus,
every name, at the mention of your name, every knee shall bow, every tongue confess that you are Lord. You didn't know you made the yes, you didn't know you made the power. There is an
The mid-morning show.
oh,
Have a blessed day.
oh, oh, oh. There is a name above every name. At the mention of your name, every knee shall bow, every tongue confess that you are Lord. You didn't know you made the yes, you didn't know you made the power. There is a name above every name. At the mention of your name, every knee shall bow, every tongue confess that you are Lord. Hey. Yes, you didn't know you made the Yahweh. You didn't know you made the Jehovah. You didn't know you made the yes, you did. Yes, you didn't know you made the power.
The mid-morning show.
You didn't know you made the
Have a blessed day.
you didn't know you made the Jehovah. You didn't know you made the yes, you did. Yes, you didn't know you made the power. Maker.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma.
Your name is a
Radio Papa, music. Thank you. Radio Papa, music. Thank you. Radio Papa, music. Thank you.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Otiase da, nyameti asioda, ochinisa, wonimramo, nyameti asioda. Otiase da, nyameti asioda, ochinisa, wonimramo. Nyamiti asioda. Hey, seva. Seva. Oh. Shoo. Se. Nyamiti asioda. Otiasida. Nyamiti asioda. Oh, watching this, Nimbramo, Nyamiti asioda. Yanko. Nami yodo, Nene Niku Yahu, Nisanyetia, Yasu Ajo, Nyamiti asioda. there's one reason why I love this song. And I am Nyankopon Otiase. Nyankopon Tiase. I never had them. They were sitting here shedding Kumusono on Tonko. Mama Nyankopon Tiase. Shabo Fanyo the baby. Repeat the song once again for me. I love this song, folks. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. It's only 14 minutes after 10. Still tuning to 93.3 FM. Adwuma, and of course, my name is Ejenime Champion Boat in the Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money. Call me Kobina Cost. The 6th day of the month, December. And just about 19 days on Christmas. So we are here. Beautiful Tuesday. We look at a terrific Tuesday morning. And we are here once again to serve you from now to 12 p.m. Good morning, wherever you find yourself to be. Let's get interactive on our social media platforms. On Facebook, send me a first on Facebook. Over to me, follow show on our live Facebook, Ahenkan 3.3 FM, and also at Kobina Costi on Facebook. Send me first on 0594-841-044, 0594-841-044. Now making kind of man. In fact, like I see a point command production team. So to my man Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu Kobe K, Nana to pan here the first, Mr. Billy Man, nah no pay. Yeah, crowd, yeah, ready? Yeah, but so from now to 12 p.m. So wherever you are, it's not a call. So in the meantime, if I should like to see a point, come on, all my taxi drivers, and come on, Brad Devi, and come on, Pasco, Raouf, MP3, to Staga, Obama, Ricardo Tanko, Oba Tampa, Jonathan, and come on, Medishie, and come on, Kwekubonash, Tilapia, Baruso Boy, and come on, Amos, and come on, Kenneth, and come on, Pierrot, Brakwami, Okasie, and I'll say all the taxi drivers I know. When you not pay me change, I'm about to say. Mr. Urban Fashion, Mr. Chumesi, KNL Fashion, I send you for you name back up Salum de Gambia, Berman Quine, or Achim Asani. Good morning, and I'll pay me patch of what to say. Medru Asani, my mincha, Gladys and Pabin, Hope of Grace, K3 service, Gladys and Pabin, and I'll pay me patch of what to say. The Biabo code here. Nanko Pontiazi, Munyabo trade, Umbrandin and Sway, or training sa, or Trewan in Brebu, maybe Bia Kama pa. After my mincha, Mama Hannah, on our Ghost Time is the best fashion, SDA Junction, and come exclusive beauty salon, our SDA Junction, and come Bra Michael, we are carpenter, our SDA Junction. Good morning, and come Patty's Golden Scissors, and our fay, our fairity. Good morning. I said that beauty salon, more mantra. I'm a permit church among Janice Fashion, and I'll say Jaji or Kameni Junction, Charities Fashion, Kameni Junction. Good morning, be able to come Jam Transport, more Kameni Junction, and come on, Freeless Clothing. I could tomorrow and I'll say quality fashion, our old education, the door fashion, our runabout. First, I walk out first stop, Michia, watch your papa. First, let me have a go. Right, so 43 minutes after 10, Ebusiane Benada, my broad daily dose of motivations. Send me a message on 0594-841-044. Good morning.
Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.
Right, so 93.3 FM. You should have been there. It's coming out for now, been out for you now. We are what to say. From me coming across I'm Branton the perfect gentleman. And I'm part Yankupon Etias Yampa. Yankupon, what's Yassi? You see, sometimes I am a cancer as a Yana, Minimenti, I make cancer. Minimenti, I am a cancer, say Yankupon Tiasi. And sometimes you're born, you be our Hanama. Minim send I would tell you no far, minim send I will hum no far there. But mate it through. I don't just listen to the instrumentation. And as I said, no groove in it there. But also, metie enum no musem no and before make us enum we me de no na minimum ni America before make us enum we afa me pa no enti ekuate hadi ena one papa no edi nkomo wo phone so a ya bo nwa me hu as we wura ha be video and na chese Nyankopon tumi so pa ono mpena kasa na Nyankopon tumi e kan wa utimi jai kasa na bo wura studio be video we are Simon pa hey Ekia be fi had the record on one or set you obi a wono mpena ye video call won wusina Nyankopon tumi tie your friend say chewa wow beba chewa wow beba anyway 93.3 of me patro Nyankopon e Adwuma my Thanksgiving experience second edition on Air Basso. Now when him say last sorry this year why do I keep saying last year I am say you run next year with you this year first edition course so my Thanksgiving experience Sami Kisi Ministries and this year na me patro tie ne pa this year you know when him say Nyankopon asuma no hon konkron sunny year sorry them ho ye butu next year there's also there watch check it 1st January 2023 it was CAC Newtown nearby it is the Lord Jamaica hona enumere no num 5 p.m. na ya share jumedi na se channel so say afiwe dia no there konkron ba ye dia chen dia ye afiwe dia no obene kase pa enti no jumedi no timadazo and behold I will do a new thing you Isaiah chapter 43 verse 19 na anum to for eba ebini minister Ajenkwa Ohima Esther minister Tracy Domina minister Anefi Inshaba Prince minister Bismarck and afwe Jack Alolomi wemo and mandum to for eba abeso abeboane asom nyame ya tontom nyame ya ma honhon no so atiesi fom ne ade a bepa cho so pesa oboa ana pesa so Sami Kisi ase na this second edition wonderful there now our 0205 045 67 and that's 0240777315 bepa cho friend say na so na say because nyame juma there so we do sika sha nyame juma ma Nyankopon so hwe wo na ohira Bible say ya dwen Nyankopon de ho a na ono so adwen ho etime pa cho se we de sika no be ya no de ibi de anka be ya fra Sami Kisi sesi a na ka chen say Sami Kisi for Thanksgiving experience 2023 and that edi kind wo year 2023 no me per se me so wase na ye program me pa cho pa many die mo na wasa friend Jack Alolomi the about tomorrow by this time God will make a way for me papa no oba na fe ya proper biblia but what I'm say and one special person me no me special person be and birthday e ki amenje fa na nyawo but uni mo so de akua o uni mo so de akua Paulina so de akua it's one person be amimi ndi ne ho agro she's very special so special I mean today happens to be her birthday and she goes by the name Paulina today happens to be her birthday Equia Paulina Pandit on Showbiz 933 I mean this girl Charlie Mindino Hagro she knows and I mean Yamanu here I mean Mindino Hagro she's so fantastic so Nyankopon yo kese no show Paulina it's your birthday happy birthday see that Nyankopon yo kese na sikanembra bebre I think last week or this week or something we had a conversation she was telling me say blog me obejini be dwane wo kroma anyway happy birthday Queen Paulina Nyankopon yo kese pa now, you go straight to our daily dose of motivations. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at Adwuma. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery Adaroma 80 no no pay and your transfer your bro your daily dose of motivation she and crash as Color Studios I watch more than Liberty Transport opposite Kidnap Pharmacy but patcho tie pa colors say brana picture frame on your mount yeah for me hope so your picture the bonnet there me patcho bra kolo de na twem ye de oba nice one pa na bibia come upon the mount you know Color Studios and Digital Embroidery or so why you from no birthday no brana onyu foninia and now for embroidery direction so say church la course embroidery cap embroidery face tarot embroidery nina oba na sort to add 0245 276 0245 276 Color Studios and Digital Embroidery na what's bra because you're professional now no pay and crash house here be patcho but I wish I met me before time now so we every malela didn't with the hupa and the English name was in the first name near Malela sorry Malala the second name near you back for swaka you shaf Z meaning baby you free there the first time I met who motivational speaker I mean me background check and then I'll say, you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Basis to be a matome church was here. I see you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Enkechi kra. Bibi any abrabo my friend say akeji debi bibi arankeji in as much as what you say na ohome na enkwane ade moja redu mo free sane de be pacho enkeji listen you say o won kwa o wade me ka say me shabo yes ade debate wepen say o won kwa o wade enkeji. Now let me tell you a story of one man me kan papa bi asemachro so what dem say abrabo na wonemu no se esi anase abrabo no apema ma men kan asem nchiro na fa hye wotrim se ni da so ho. If you think all is lost, then listen to this. What him KFC ekia na ota KFC pa me say Friday be akon kran KFC ni ade say me if you am for this but with him KFC, my make KFC store in chill. Papa now ye KFC though. The owner of KFC company no. And your girls now you too man I say oh nya friend thank God say ya word down KFC new room. You see boys in the city, bro, then they suffer. How are you? I'm good. Over the KFC. Thank God that have been here. But let me tell you the story of KFC. So what do you say? Abrabona saya and say, I was Abrabona cage and cage. Now, Papa me can want so much with the owner of KFC. Your friend is Sanders, and this is the story. Papa will bobra, or bobra. Now, brother boy, in the name what thing. At the age of 5 years, and ane papa ewuye. Na owonyanum. Enti onyidru baby our brabon he took the responsibility as a father. Eti ono na ohwe ne nyanam aka. At the age of 16 years, oja school. Because na nyoma enshada emfa sa. Because ono ko school na nchiri manso ko school a be very difficult so betimi ahwe. So he quit school. At the age of 17, na enuma all year the chefie mako and 9-4 ne free sa. Now I bet na fie with a little savings onyaye. But okopre na hon time at the age of 18 and worry. Because na savings kakra den e wo ho. But na enuma all year mako 4. Unim say abo obi man so abo hye de I mean utimi adwuma be de wo ho at a time sa for ni nyina efini sa Yakopon adom bre o Johnny Army obi be ka soldier oko Johnny ye Ohokra there was a total waste of time. I'm one cry. Onya 20 years. And Obani Jano. Obana ware no at the age of 20. Oban said Debbie Bema we dey sabio koshini bi ana won say on to me ntra. Now asam person me change am one story ni nyengu. See, obrawa brabodi ma bre the nyuma say oba jano the nkwala koni ade de obeye bia ye basa. Nia obeye bia na ye basa. Now listen, at the age of 65 years, wabra 65 years. Oh no, Charlie. Abrabo de baby adru de no an edru no. Menya sure say e be fa ma me. Ampem baby ntra na me baby a. But me kai say tama me hwe me nwanam na me medwane ye. So he was a very good cook. Nti say no ye. Okoboro $87. $87. At the age of 65 years, 10 years pa. Abrabo no kabana do be 65 years they apem. Okobo be sianye Southern Sigao. He went to borrow $87. And they started Adwuma in the restaurant because he was a very good cook at the time. And you know, small from a giase, no I call apatase, ni adia, the dim na company no, as a engineer. Na bembe buye, bebe me dru ni die, apem. I mean manyin, me dru me 70s, me call. Oba jame, ma braba say nkwala me ni adwuma obi akokra de nka 86 ameko 70 de ampe me bintra. But you know what? Okache no ho say all is not lost. I am saying this because your youth bebre wo hono ena their target is to hit $1 million at the age of 30. It will feel say when you're 30 years, things are not moving how he planned his life way back in secondary school or probably at the uni. And you want kosa ye mano, and you know, I mean, all is lost. No. For Sanders, the owner of KFC story, fatu to abrabo. What him the beauty of the story? KFC company no, ebe large when Sanders was 88 years. Now, bizarre, fa unfia onyano, fa totone de no. At the age of 88 years, he blew. Obi Ahenkan. Now, KFC is a nationwide thing. Am I saying nationwide? Like it is in Ghana, an international brand. KFC. It is in Nigeria, Ghana, in fact, all African countries, America, North America, Asia, Europe. Everywhere, there is KFC. Kwana ko check it our Google. How much this man is worth? He's dead though, but go and check. Enkwala yadi omudwani free ni hono. Go and check. Enfaswa enkwala no enya wo de omo papa eye. All is not lost. Me pacho undru baby a obi hit at the age of 88 and then the brand as KFC and on our mano ehun as the ultimate lunch. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Ultimate lunch there. I be KFC and 80 me pacho all hope it's not lost. So what the tare na awai, what that tare awai san bebrea. Debi ame takan sasen we say just one day. Just one day. The table shall turn. Just one day. Definitely there will be lights at the end of the tunnel. Me takan sasen we the shem yankasa me hon crying. Say just one day. Officer a pim. Officer and that's what sound. So yesterday I was watching a documentary. In fact, it was a movie. And guy said he went to prison for 15 years into we're wasting time. Or by the friends are making life. And they keep telling him, say, oh, it's not lost. Charlie Ebefa. He said to them, say, at this age, mo catch them say, oh, it's not lost. Like starting life at this age. Come on, you guys are joking. But you know what? When you are focused, if you're a focused person, and if you know what you are up to, if you believe in Christ, and if you take your prayer life very serious, I tell you, in your mouth you say achiano, in your mouth you say shiegu, in your mouth you say asaino. Ebe ya one, ebe shock you, it will take you by surprise. One day you will sit and ask yourself so many questions. Say, hey, inti am I not that guy some years back? I nearly took my life. Enyamia me catch me say brabo no baby edru ni de. Enyamia na me catch me say shana me braid de. I mean I should say goodbye. Hey, enyamia na girl we jam me because me see me ni capre. Enyamia na sisi ya shabo man tata me. That is life. 6 minutes after 11, you did time ni bebre, you go breaking. Rashaba ye di, me boni di ni you catch some time aso. Ever joy ever is here.
People still don't wonder why I'm still on top. You can make a more of form, but all you bless me. My name
Acoustic Fest 2023 on one sewa ministries. I showed you made you on Afibia. Nafiwe San Bawa Kwemo on the 18th of December 2022, Sunday and our Supreme Apostolic Faith International Church, Suffolk, Akimoda, behind CMB Co. Time 5 p.m. sharp. May I share you made you nasi. Na and to find out you made you Minister Seth, Ohima Esther, Minister Jenny, na your special guest, our near Babe Frapo Adwuma and then Lady Frank. Na the Jumadian na esne na so Ohima Sewa. Na asante the Jumadian so the reign of worship. Zechariah 14 verse 17. Amana man in Amba Jerusalem na yen so rewate. Brana na yam fo enko Adwuma ngwanani. Na afiwe the acoustic fest ebeye big any big ebeye oja nti enyi ohun fi modofo bra yen sorry erade. Na wo mo so yasema ye this Jumadi every one. Eye Dora Transport, Lucky Joy, Edoye Herbal Center. Where this building, order for a new food now by way. Now, so open share movie and answer we are fine program for a number way 0542 65 4214 0542 65 4214 and 0541 88 3077 0541 88 3077.
Kwekwe brabe share and a party am call no abrochin so near this several me o de hwe ne bottle ni kra me he uja we anna chwa me no water na wo tenen kan anna chwa me no water Ghana ha ya na ye no na odan say so pamu depo na e wo Ghana commercial bank car park hono mo a ene di hwe ne mu pe e wa bonsa foforo no enu nti so pan dodo Saudi ye wo de wedding abedin tour party say wo num ofie anadwuma die bia me patcho free 0249 680 213 and 0500 231091 enso na den and packaging so FSA and natural mineral water natural FDA ajatum say eye
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei
Classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mbre ko pa bie de se ekro na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ
ointment ne powerful pa
hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera apaya petroleum jelly cassia alata honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no eno ane se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu na be hu se yes ointment papa bi o ba bi
me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama age me se enye nanso pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
ane titru wo hene na herbal koforidua frisia ba ko and sons kumasi adu ore pass herbal okaishi akra netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833
FDA age ejwede nkrato yato
Eurade. adwuma na yɛayɛ short work say enti grass ya mo nhyehyɛ ɛna mo ahyehyɛ ne wo nwansa no munya ma adwuma no to hɔ ɛsan sɛ munim yɛ
na wede ho amoa
wobɛbisa bi ɛnyɛ nkurɔfoɔ yɛ ɔmo wɔ akyire ha yi a ɔmo sɛ ɔmo yɛ aluminium works ɛna nkɔfa ɔmo a ɔmo aba bɛsɛe ma adwuma no sɛ ama me
aluminium works baa deɛ a keto boss na mekyerɛ wo Godsway aluminium works
na ɔmo nso ɔmo yɛ hwan mo ɛyɛ asɔre anaa
dabi o wadwuma no ɔmo ayɛ no basaa no wei mu na ɔmbɛtumi ayɛ ne yie ɛde ama wo enti sɛ woasi wo dan no awie na wopɛ obi amada bɛhyɛ glasses ɛwɔ ho no a wei mu a na wohia wo mu na sɛ wopɛ Italian sliding windows ɛne ne doors hinge doors projected windows swing doors pulpits collection bowls ɛne deɛ keka ga ho nyinaa
hey ane wei mu na ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ ma adwuma no kɔfa ɔmo brɛ me na ɔmo bɛyɛ ma adwuma na mpo ɔmo wɔ he
Godsway aluminium works ɛwɔ akyem aboabo ha yi a ɔmo ne aboabo amusie no na di nhwɛne mu ɛnkran kwantempɔn yi so yɛ a anasɛ wobɛtumi afrɛ ɔmo ɛwɔ 0547 148 126 anasɛ 0276 086538 Godsway aluminium works quality service our passion.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buying every home. And now Pa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to 0246 20 8496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasie.
Mido, asa na de fia e hrampa o.
Ha, eya ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA ban ni enko limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eya parazo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na ade ba de na ahụhụrụ pụto bi dị isi
eya kasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina ase no bia papepata asusu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Biny snake repellent na me de atu o ma sesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wo horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchasi mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Biny wo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana commercial bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomu atu a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mo din ni body say
eye JA Biny and Call Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesi a.
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kun, ani wo yi me yensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya, esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abaako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya, me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enu nku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo a 3D malaria yi bi ansa. Se upetam heba mixture enuro dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo Atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ura pharmacy shop, chemical shop, any herbal shop dudu na mu a obenya bi ato.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo
set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adane ziba ewo mu no betu akọ
FDA ahwehwɛ adwadie nkratoɔ yi mu agye atomo sɛ ɛyɛ.
My praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Watum.
Odamaye, Adru Subiem.
Na Eden Adrusi.
And one webisano. Aya Jumaquia, Omopoa, Emanipa, Enyan and Sano Numa, Omo de Santre away, Ba our Kimoda, Adia Bre Obia, so your bar, so ya Bema, so ya Quada, so ya Penini, Ubetimi Siabi.
Nanny and Jumako Ben at the Santre Ebre.
Aya Willy Duck Technologies Ghana. Enti Omo de Nabi no Adia Siwa. Aya December 2nd to December 10th. Aya Friday and Saturday. And Omo de Siwa, Omo de Santre away at the Ebre.
Na Danny Den on Baba Tretre Poti.
Sa Obi Pese, was your plaster board ceiling design, and I say POP, and I say electric fencing installation, and a car and motor tracking system, and I say CCTV camera installation, satellite installation, and a biofeed digester. Ni nano, ye bet shirano, sadano,
and one no,
Dabi, naye where your part one, tia part two no, ye bet no sunny see after wash, washing powder, frog cleaner, shampoo, shower gel, and why yang, sunny ye see a yang immenso, ye bet no, and organic liquid fertilizer, organic powder fertilizer, organic weedicide, Abusia for some person picking farms in Libya, a 20 Ghana city, farms no, a biwa, Ahenkan FM, and a total filling station, and a Bosume FM. Program way a backwaso award, King of Great Chapel, Akema Sene, Yane Akim State University College, and a Edisha Nimu, Sa Opia Sembisabia, and a Sika Obetia, now a friend Ahuma Weso, 0244 95 99 49, and I say 0244 63 50 07. Ubetimi Ashia in our Facebook, Aya Adu TVGH. I'm for way Aya Sanu Yuma. Yachana way in area. Yabema certificate, Yadabaka Juma, and a pen driver. Programs in Ina Eguguso.
God have sailed through.
Ahenkan winners a make a difference, Papa. Now they are fair one. There be winners there. See any momo dada. Nemum se dear one more to munchre kra. Oba or Joe Form 3 straight. Form 1 ne Form 2 now so Aquanya Edaho. Facilities Papa B. Biology lab, chemistry lab, physics, ICT, home economics, ICT no. A compulsory.
So person was June and none of them. The right place. A winners senior high school.
Why amomo exam center number. And when you trans or was muhwa a teacher for a kuku damankasa and a extra wadie and winti ubetano one time courses are why no ebi any general arts, pure science, business, home economics and afe agric science.
Winners senior high school ego admission so say ma wonya ha never admission ema oban
basic finance or winners divine academia waje nkwala every nursery ekosi JHS3 or boarding edema nkwala mu nyina ubehunu winners school complex Ewon Koko Sidom restaurants ne opposites Paso Nakosi school mu ho Frepani kwanche for the school no ano Ewo 0244 571927 and afi 0208 193788 Winners School Complex raising the standard of excellence.
Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Me say, Yadikai. Qatar 2022 World Cup Empire Negra. Your best radio station in the East. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Yadu commentary emudawo yo po Abramo. Tie fiti anopakopum anumre yampon. Dia beto form wa katabia. Ubati wasum awa Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Yes, we have paraded the best commentators of your time. Tie wa brimpon wa pokuare. Wa begum say yo po. Kofi Ajiri aka AJ and your sports headmaster Joshua Ajanim.
I am going to be part of the commentators. Wadi Ahenkan Kwame Yabua. 4 sets. Yabba Gumise Yopo. And 2 person boy got on 1 day. Our World Cup season here. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Me say from Kenke to Kankai. Qatar 2022. Ahenkan from commentary. Yabba Jibebia. Bajawa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Tinto, I don't think they want
Oh, Sunday. Okay, bene. Enkano kasia, ene gede we be hyanka, we predeko ya kwa de seta. Keke, jo wa home ne sika nsu di die wa di bi ya dan bambasia. Emma ba ne ma jadere ye huri ye mese wusia chichidi ye chikwa. Menkwati ya mete, ye ofunte bi na wase wa yonga, ofuna na wadi ya wanu so nsu awisi butwati. Ye kobeko ma fene galanti. Hwe wo ye ne ho jalu kan ho firi. Eni abede sakododom, metu gwagina fuo nsu de gudem. Ye we se papo ano ne ye dori ye sukwa. Wo ya fa do kuriti maso wa mesotro. O de pu be ya ba me se aya wo ba na ne tososa. Oh Sunday, young good day and tampeshia so na mabere ne fa. Wudi gidie pesa wonante poso polo boy asasa ne city. Na we te cook kwata se don't fuck with the cake. She wala kwa John Sokodana okay. Ben to when ye jena kwasa. We are one to go on. 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 From the camp we do that. We are one to go on. We are one to go on. We are one to go on.
Bono set of it, muffin and no wapping. Semi una macumba too. Niton de musupi. Semi una number one. Miguel no. Unyamia bono set of it, muffin and no wapping. Semi una macumba too. Niton de musupi. Semi una number one. Many more take your so cannot take them. Yes, if you're your group.
Right, so Nana Conti Hene on this one. Terrific Tuesday morning here on 93.3 FM. We're having fun already. Christmas feeling, no? What we catch up is Charlie. This year, no man, my dear man, November, until Christmas song, yeah. You've got December, so 6 days already. Until Christmas song, say, oh boy, I don't hear Ahenkan. Yeah, if you see about your Christmas song first November. So it has nothing to do with Omani Mwayade Ubwakra. So we are still here, still connected, and we're making sure, sir, Charlie, we are on. The Christmas fever is already activated. Who is the guy? Woo! Hey, Achita. Achita. Hey. Right, so 93.3 FM. Yabansio. Yapeka krade gu yemrim. And that, I am Paulina birthday. And to Polly, oh Polly. Paulina birthday, the Rasta say, we're promising, no. Rasta say, we're promising Paulina. Yo, hello?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, what is it?
Nyame adom na sir.
Nyame adom ho yepa. Adna mete on kan cheza.
Me ho.
Mate say na your birthday.
Yeah.
Okay. Me person me do pie tino. What's it then?
Please, who am I speaking with?
Don't worry, you'll get to know who you're speaking to. I want to know if I can take you out today.
But I can't ask me to out when I don't know the person I'm going out.
Well, don't worry. As I said, I'm definitely going to know who you're talking to. But I just want to give you my words. I want to make this day a special one for you. So if you don't mind, can I take you out?
I don't mind, fine. But then I still have to know before I make the move.
Okay. So my name is Governor Costi, and I want to wish you a happy birthday. You're live on radio.
Oh, really?
Charlie, you're live on radio. Happy birthday, Charlie.
Thank you. Oh. Thank you.
I was trying to connect Raz though, but he says I should tell you all bills on him today. So I mean, you don't need to worry, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Charlie, I'll call you, eh?
All right.
Okay. Have a nice day. Happy birthday too.
Thank you. You too. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
This is my voice, eh?
Happy birthday.
This year was on Tuesday. My wish you my happy birthday. Or this year about boy. That when you wish you will be happy birthday or happy birthday. Or this year by Anna do see me wish you be a happy birthday there. Shabu's utinya papa.
Happy birthday.
Alright, so unnatural mineral water. Unnatural mineral water. Me pa cho isu mu ya krojen. Isu papa pa, isu awon ma hunsan pa won musio. Unnatural mineral water. Me pa cho se wonu bi da. You are missing out on the big thing. Take up with Okoye Ghana Commercial Bank opsi to benya biato. You do Ghana Commercial Bank mami che Edna wa Ghana Commercial Bank and our staffs wa Ghana Commercial Bank nyano pay good morning. Chechamo. Okay, it's unnatural mineral water Commercial Bank opsi to our benya biato. Me pacho ekoye me say flexible. Isu ati se mo jedru wa check hwe. Ukuta bottle na uzampa. Ukuta insu papa. 0249 680213 0500231091 unnatural mineral water. Just so mami say a natural. Amaje ba clinic na amaje say anopeya. Who be at the door me pacho. No pebia o visa. This is any other man me pacho bra physiotherapy. Our Majena, Yama don't pay no BBA on Timmy Cosu, you come upon from your quantum detector or modern scan machine, a coso, a pachobra, na Yariano, Yanshe, Naisiano, coin from our infertility, a debaqua, Asia Brabomu, se Obema pan. What is the Kakawari or Banenso? Sabio nye won't be with you hoda eya the pacho amaje zebra na onto infertility as if ma so your buyer bema over to us typhoid ulcer syphilis hepatitis B and C kidney problem gonorrhea diabetes nina o to us here pacho 0244 877840 and 0205045665 amaje ba clinic na obon sambra ne se wayaresa efie okwa bibia betima koso ye panama Gorsway Aluminium Works Gorsway Aluminium Works me pacho se we si dan na opese be sliding windows to say or this year by na tene dan no si was edro no me pacho obefa Gorsway Aluminium Works and am koye sliding windows e de man no me pacho also meant to sikengu Gorsway Aluminium Works ebia open swing doors you be sort it out afa so mo yan sore mo pe pulpits and na say bia offering bowls nso a mo bra na yen no come upon from bibia fa aluminium ho bia no ndwuma bia opese ye ma no to safra yen na ye bo nso de da form come upon ye wa chema bo abo ye ni esie ye no e de di hwani mu 0547 148126 na 0276 086538 your motto was a quality service our passion at Yoba na assault us now Light Former Limited me pacho omo transidi na omo se dabi ewi ase de se oma anipa hawa na mi shira pa enti no makofa fame bell syrup na MBF gingival gel da badwamanso na me pacho indro bi anyway e bia ne de ye di kan fame bell syrup no me pacho eye emanyina #1 fertility enhancer. I imagine too. It is very good for every woman. For his baby and best friend, your family bell syrup. If you are suffering from infertility, menstrual disorders, if you suffer for emergency contraceptive problems, how your family planning, sabi, or messages need to be my problem kakra bi wo hono dia besrew the bebo family bell syrup besrew anopa ya kopa bi to na afei bibia ntimi nkoye fama ebia se dey fa habeka gumazo na bibia nkoso ye ma me pacho family bell okay family bells right na just always be there okay you know ekuya se waje atum na just say koye pa the family bells right bless what is this bless is that to spell bless okay it's also a family bless syrup okay and the man nya aja atum ekuya se o use we musampa ase why come up o say unya ba na nsin da me no ba so call 2 weeks grandma ya de ji ade pe jo se o ye be ma na se sabio o ko ba no ho kakra na se o te nkan bi ni ade me pa jo se o ti me to ne twren aye e de bo ho ban preku because one to anjron hwa na go no ni ade nyina frafra but the queer say o no use bi no bi akoye pa nti se o yo ba me pa jo pe se o siesie ahemfi o na bi akoso ye kama pan de ma de o se e family bless syrup and be wow and our face no sabio halitosis and kan there and force the warm boy and fan o umpe we see twa o say the wo mesrel se kakayo na face sabio and can be gina wonu ni ade ade be wow and so NBF gingival gel and the come up obi age atu me pacho ebo ma sebe kaka edwane and kan edwane utwi sia na moja ni ade sa wo chen malanka ni ade yakuna ntwinam enye pepa choko pebito pharmacy bia obenye bia to afa so penchechwe mu a chen media ya 0542929628 na 0244661941 kaya tumu sesia nyankopon Adwuma Christmas eba. And we say Christmas is Ahenkan is never a dull thing. Nah, never. You see that. So Christmas with Ahenkan, do I check it? Nyankopon Adwuma 26 December Boxing Day as usual. Ahenkan for no darling. You check your money out there. And this year, be kasi because you be abu the background sir. You check your mother must be woman only be CEO. You know what he does best? Gifts in the Joe Bebre na. At the channel so Nyankopon Adwuma 26 December. Check no bebre wa Ahenkan FM fi ha after so no ya be football competition and just some yeah teams ni ade na 1% mobile this last year say ya chi we can come back FM Bosomi FM na mu wie mu na mo share ya one e wa ha sa game kwa na e 1-1 no okay ya bo 1-1 by your call astrotef no so no Bosomi 4 share 2 na omutimenti you want to say 3, you want to say 4, and you be na me be assist, sa 3, and you shall share 4 3, and I'm sitting in the Majai. Or mobile bread time, Tina Majai, move chido be assist. Now, Mukramuni striker. Now, move no be assist go, mobile bread time. Papa John say mope. Some year part of this competition. Yeah, Mumba Ahenkan FM from this. Mumba pick phones. Papa John deadline 21st December. Game no 24th. The channel soon. Ama J. Yako haba da o nti de yanko imboost. Me pacho sa wo hodo do. Na enyoman koso ye ma. Me pacho Ama J. Why am I saying Ama J like this? Imboost wa mixture. Mixture police in your drill. Me pacho channel so say your #1 immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease and also malfunctions that affect the body. Me pacho ko pebito and pay ya bebo na fe wo boost immune system yare de so it me bon pa VIP away wo boto twene baby na unya hoden anisa ahoden de me pacho se woni bia wasem wo wasem ya mobo rough Nemo no imboost no. Honya den. Baby abekobia no benya biato. Pharmacy bia. Utimi nka imbooster wo se police ni edro no. Police ni edro no. Ko pharmacy bia. Ana se 0246 208 na 0540710113. Akopebito. Odi sheba ya na de se next time omo chi Ahenkan FM for me show 7 no. Ha on dem jimudi. Na team amuni striker dem. Omo na shegu. Odi sheba no problem. Odi sheba no problem at all. Minimum pass am be show 7 no. You see me this time I'm not part of the team. Na tema me count na mo share 4 na me buy na be assist 3 goals and a 4-3. And ya ni Kotokura house management so ko bo bi wo. Sports the sub game na sports na scores say. The ball sports stadium am ni Kotokura house you know. And then na me hang me boost am mbo ma movie no. Obo man show mu bia mo share mo. There be draw bia. Obo obo share mo be ti. Eje Kotoku management. Almost share mo boss. Almost share mo. I guess I gave na me free mu. Almost share mo. Me ma bre, me na me free mu me hwese na mo bobo na. Say uni. Ahenkan team na nkasa no. Money me no, my say Inaki Williams ne Black Stars. Debbie, us na Inaki Williams no obo ni game wo Spain Oba Black Stars no move feeding the ball. It's when I mean we're having the time on on the pitch. What cap no until go focus na Inaki Williams no na one boy ye na say see the ball no different no ntina say nkamo sana me so me ball but what you say nti Ahenkan team no sana mo ball me jai mimi ni nemu mo hu na ewu team no me jai me jai na that for no my omoko achiase o say results there no me ha ejeni ma frame me boss na te saying I say boss me abedo mada oh chala we dey go achiase o we get match na say moko to me jai na omoko ba ya kono mo 940 no mo dey ba groma na team amuni striker the team amuni striker Yeah, see Opoku aye do otuado. Odi formation bia. The tactics in you. Muti men aye papa. Me say me, Ahenkan FM team. Any Stanley Nkwala no. Elbo kra ma chen kwala na ji. Na mo hwa na be shama mu. Mo striker ya hwan. Mo striker ya hwan. Ejenumu no so a defender cramp on bonus back in front. Minimum, mumu keeper, muni striker, mumu ye team.
Na Kulibali.
Ever keeper as a Kulibali. And race when the day when I'm born 9. Ray body for Subo. Manager men come and just Ray. So I share this person now. Born about or Ross person what even that just a money keeper. Mu keeper me asanye anye Kulibali nye Ray nye manager mo strike cancel ya me kwa na me service me jai ti wo sisi amu be na she go money striker money keeper na mo me try on. Like this Christmas, I want to do something with my team. Me team SDA. I'm their captain and I'm their striker as well. Yaba be face mu. Say man shot tie man shot 4 goals. Sa game na. Make Odian can sack me for year. Yeah.
Okoto jinem.
You play as Okoto. Me say if my team then you people meet, we are not score 4 goals make Odian can sack me for year. They be sacked too much. Make Odian cannot pay me for 4 months. Manager want a message. manager message no. Me kind cry.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Okay, give it to me, baby. Okay. Yeah, was so yeah. So cold. But Johnny, I was so powder.